how to order from StockX. So all you have to do is simply go to stockx.com or simply open the mobile app. Now, after you create your free account, you're gonna have to simply choose what do you want to buy from StockX. So you have shoes, clothes, whatever you can think of, you can find it here. Now you're gonna have to simply select the product, and then here you're gonna have to choose the size. Now, as you can see, based on the size that you are looking for, you're gonna see that the price, it may be higher or lower. Now this depends on the demand of the shoes and on that specific size. Then after you do that, you're gonna have an option to place a bid. So if you want to ask a lower amount of money, you can do that, and a seller may approve that. Or you can simply go back. So let me go back here, and you should see this buy for $73. So you can buy right away, so you don't have to wait for approval or anything. Simply click on that. Now here you're gonna have to simply enter, if you have a discount code, you can enter that and get a discount. Here you're gonna have your payment method, so you can add your debit or credit card, or if you want, you can also use PayPal or other payment methods depending on your region. And then you're gonna have to add your address and then simply click on review order and place your order, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.